We're looking here at an early 19th century guidebook to the city of Florence, issued in Florence in 1804, 8th edition, it says on the title page. This is a guidebook that went through various printings and editions. But what distinguishes this example of this guidebook is this very large and splendid city plan, which, as you can see, someone long ago used paper tape to reinforce and back. But when we look at the plan from the front, we can see that it's really still immensely pleasing. It's got little cherubs and a compass rose and a coat of arms, and it's very well engraved and detailed with garden features, topographical features shown, buildings in outline, and so on. And this fine item is currently available now on my website, briandimambro.com.